I'm coming at you guys. I'm gonna install the JB4, and then show you pretty much like how to route it and just how to connect everything correctly in the car. So guys, let's get on to the video. Okay guys, so we're back. Okay, look, simple as this. I mean, this is something I shouldn't need to explain, but just open the hood, remove the engine cover if you have one, and then from there we'll get along with it. So mine, I bought this JB4 like I would say back in January of 2019, so it's a long time ago. Right, so I already assembled and put it together, but once you get it assembled, because I'm not gonna disassemble it and reassemble it, because actually there's a story behind this, and that story is, well, it broke and I sent it back to California. They fixed it for me at Burger Motorsports and they sent it back to me, and they put it back together nicely how it is now, and I don't want to touch it just in case it breaks again. So very fragile device, be careful, because mine actually did just stop working out of nowhere, you know. So good thing 5-year warranty, because I did buy it from Burger Motorsports. Alright guys, so simple as this. You got one plug and then another plug. Pretty simple stuff. Alright, so this is the way I would route it, so it looks, I guess, the decent clean. You could do however you guys want to route it, but so what you do is you have the JB4, you have the whole box, and you have the little Bluetooth device. You should have the Bluetooth device. I recommend it. It's easier to change the maps, connect to the app, and control everything through the cell phone. So you put it right here, and this cable, you should wire it through here. See this port right here? You wire it through here. You wire both pieces, all 4 plugs, right? And then you got the JB4 just sitting right here. Make sure this does not really like sit in between here too much. Just you want this to not, you know, be in contact with metal, because then it has problems with signal. So pretty much we just put it right there, and then over here we'll put this to the side. Over here gets pretty simple. This is plug and play type stuff. There's no splicing, no nothing. I don't got JB4 fuel wires, so I'm not here to inform you on that. I don't know too much about that. I got it like this. Now they come pretty much standard with the JB4 wires, but I didn't get mine like that. So okay, so we'll go back. So here's the plug, MAF sensor, whatever. I don't really know what it's called, but I'm gonna just call it that. I'm gonna call it the MAF sensor. You plug it in, flip one there, and then if you want to make it look more cleaner, you can just kind of like put it underneath and then plug that one in there. Pretty simple. So you got JB4 connected there, and this one goes over here to this side. It's pretty simple procedure, guys. You got it plugged in right there. Boom, boom, and then you got this one over here. Boom, you're literally done. If you guys want to be discreet, you guys can, you know, wire it however you want. You can wire this piece like more like around to the back and through there, and then be more discreet, zip tie it. And then to really help it out, just put the engine cover back on, and really no one will be able to tell. So you got this wire right here and this wire right here. So guys, I'm going to switch back into inside of the car and show you what else we have to wire up. Okay, so pretty simple installation, guys. Okay, this is what we're going to get to now. So this is the OBDII cable that connects to the JB4. You got 3 pins there, and then you got the whole set of pins right there to connect to the JB4. To this part, and this part goes into the computer of the car. This is so you can run logging and data log and pretty much see all the information of whatever the JB4 can, I guess, supply information wise. Okay, so what I'm gonna say here is that let's actually go back underneath. Let's go back underneath. So here's the plug that you're gonna be looking for right here, and in there you have, let me see, let's get some light. So you see, you got that grommet there, I guess you would call it, and to there's where you're going to be running this wire. So I'm going to show you guys from the inside out, and we're going to get to that right now, actually. Okay, here we go. And in there's the piece. Right there. You guys see that little black thing that I showed you earlier that matches with that black thing? Right there. So you just pull it out and you continue from there. Alright, so give me 1 second, let me pull it out and I'll continue the video from there. And I'm gonna just pull it out. See what we got right here. Let's get the JB4 actually out of the way. It's kind of hard to get it. And we just pull and we pull and we pull, guys, and voila, the cable is through. That's how you do it through the firewall. Alright guys, that's how you do it through the firewall. So from there, all you have to do is literally just connect it. That's it. And you are done installing the JB4. There's no 20-minute procedure to this. Is pretty simple. What's happening there, guys, is actually we have to push the grommet back. We have to push it back in. Okay, so hold on, let me push that in just to give you guys an example. Okay guys, so the grommet is like semi in. All you have to do is just keep pushing it in and the JB4 is installed, guys. It's that simple. Just fix up the wires here a little bit, put the brake fluid back on, go inside, make sure this right here OBDII cable is plugged in correctly. And that's the OBDII. This wire you can either pull it up, put it however you want, slack it up. By the other side you can pull it out. You can keep pulling it out until it gets tight. And that's it, guys. That is literally it to install JB4. That is the hard firewall, I guess the hard way in to do it, so it looks cleaner. You know, there is another way where you can route it. You could route it the wire through here and then come out and run it through here, run it through there, all the way out to, I guess, again, where it sits. It's always going to sit in the brake fluid spot. The JB4 itself is going to sit in there. The wire, you can run it through here, into there, and into there. So those are the two ways to do it. So now I'm going to switch over just to show you guys a little bit about it and just explain pretty much how you would connect to it after you have pretty much installed it, guys. Alright. Okay guys, we're back inside the vehicle and we're going to turn it on. Don't mind the exhaust. The car is still stock, guys. It's just I took off the muffler to make some noise. That's all it is. The car has still no modifications. Alright, so we're going to go to the JB4 app. Make sure you download that. It's like $28 or $26, something like that. I forgot exactly how much it is. And you press connect. And you, after you make your account over here in settings, right here, after you connect into here, pretty much you would go back to this screen and then press connect and your JB4 will be connected. And those little bars down there tell you how good of a signal you have. So the closer you are to the JB4, the better your bars will be. So I had 2 bars there getting closer. If I get even closer, it's 3. And if you were obviously right next to it, it would be 4. So of course there's going to be a little bit of, you know, loss of connection because it's got literally through plastic and metal and all that stuff that's got from the front of the motor pretty much underneath the brake fluid to here. So I'm getting actually 3 bars right now. Okay, so here I'm going to tell you really what's going on. It's simple. You got maps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To my knowledge, I don't really use JB4 anymore, guys. I just have it sitting in my house. So map 1 I think is like 5, map 2 is map 1 is 4, map 2 is 5, map 3 is 5.5, map 4 is 6, map 5 is 7. This is the custom map. This I think is the water meth map, and I think map 8 is the valet map now. I think that's how they have it set up. Map 6, you would go here, go to JB4 tuning, user adjustment settings, and you would set the boost how you'd want it and throughout which RPM, so 1500 to 17,000. To 7,000 pretty much, and then that's how you would use map 6. You would just go and you would click map and then just click map 6, and then the car will beep. It'll tell you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So pretty much that's what's going on, guys. It's a pretty simple procedure, nothing complicated to it. Pretty much. And then from here you got your gauges and you can log and stuff like that. So let's see the boost gauge is moving and stuff like that. Oil temperature, water temperature, you can just click on it, right? You just hold it and you could choose all these or whatever you want, you know. So I got those: oil, water, trans, ECU, and boost 1 and boost 2. And that's pretty much it, guys. It's not too hard. Logging, you go right here to logs, and there's your graph. That's literally what we logged right there. I'll tell you what you want, you know, boost and all of that, however you set it up here. I don't want to get too in depth with that, guys, but that's pretty much it, guys. It's not too complicated to use this device, and go have fun with it. After you install it, go and try it out. You will love it. It's definitely night and day from stock. Compared to ECU tech, that's for a whole other video. I got that on the car. You can still play with the JB4 on the car. You can add boost on top of the ECU and boost it more, except that's very dangerous. If the tuner tells you not to, go by what he tells you. It's a recommendation. You can do whatever you want though. But I've already tried it, had fun with that. Trust me, it's fun. It's crazy if you could throw more boost on top of boost and just go ham, you know, race gas and all that stuff. But yeah, that's for another, guys. I appreciate it, guys. Definitely enjoy the video. If you enjoyed it, drop the like. If you want to keep following me, hey, subscribe. I'd appreciate it, guys.